All right, so we have an interesting house here. We are on Old Highway 75. I believe we're in Pinson. I will double check that. Probably should have checked that before I did the video. So this house was actually going to be sold retail. It was going to be flipped to retail, and I'll explain why the change of heart on that once we get in there and I can show you. But it's a huge house. I'll give you a little bit of the neighborhood here. So it's really not a neighborhood, it's just a street. There are families and kids playing down there. I don't know if you can actually see them. The provider here who owns this house is going to try and buy, they're trying to figure out who the owner of that house is. He said this is a very desirable area, up and coming, so you can see all the greenery. Welcome to Alabama. All right, let's do a little property tour here. So I do not have the set price for this. It's going to be roughly $180 or $190, and the rents are going to be somewhere between $1,500 and $1,700. I asked him who the renter pool is. He said it's going to be people who work in Birmingham, so we're only about 15 minutes down the highway from downtown Birmingham. So a lot of people easily, tons of jobs. The landscaping has been done. It recently rained, so they're going to clean up a little bit of that green that's popped through. This is a 4-bedroom house. I can't remember how many bathrooms already. 2-car garage. The porch has just been rebuilt, so this is going to get painted, so it won't look like brand new wood for much longer. All right, so a little entryway here. So there used to be pillars on this wall that were all taken down, and they also went alongside the opening for the living room. Brand new carpet. Here's your living room. There's still punch list items to be done. So like the fireplace door is going to get put back on. All the little things are still going to get cleaned up. So this is brand new carpet used in all of their properties. You can also see the new, are these LVP floors? LVP. It's my favorite.
Yep, ours too. This is really nice LVP.
I love this color. So this is their, actually, in the video, it looks a little more brown. It's kind of I guess it's brown.
It's a grayish brown.
Yeah, it's a grayish brown.
Wall it's on.
So you can see stainless steel appliances, granite countertops. He said they do granite countertops in a lot of the rentals, but remember this was actually flipped for retail. So you're going to get quite a bit extra nice stuff. All right, so also this provider does not provide refrigerators or washers and dryers. He said that's very standard for Alabama because they tend to get stolen pretty quickly. So you've got kind of a big dining area here. We'll go outside in just a second. So walking around here. Oh, basement. Is it a full basement?
It's
unfinished. Unfinished. Oh, cool.
Full of garbage right now.
So a big unfinished basement. We'll leave that for mystery. So space for washer and dryer as well as a bathroom. And coming back out to the dining area, here is the 2-car garage. It's actually huge. So the contractors are coming out to clean this all up, throw some paint down, make it all pretty. Hot water heater. All right, coming back through here, we'll pause on the house and look outside. So this is about an acre. It's a huge lot. So most of this porch has been redone or rebuilt to some capacity. You can see it's gigantic. There's a brand new HVAC air conditioner. It's also huge. So check out the size of this yard. The property goes all the way back to those taller trees. So we are off a main highway. You can hear that traffic. This is probably one of the biggest yards I've ever seen in what's about to be a turnkey. So all of this stuff is going to get cleaned up. Anything you see dirty or missing is still on the punch list. Let's lock that back up. All right, so we're going back through the kitchen. And there's a little look into the Another, would this be another dining area or like a little extra living space? Because if that's the dining room.
Well, that's the formal dining room.
Oh, this is formal
kinda
dining
like
room.
The breakfast area.
Breakfast area. I forget in the South you have enough space for multiple dining rooms. California, I'm lucky to have one. I don't even have a kitchen.
There you go.
So we have another sliding glass door back out to that backyard. And you can get a better view of that big old new HVAC system. Sliding glass door is brand new. All right, so hallway coming down, looking back out the front door, just so you have your bearings. Hallway closet, more hallway closets. Again, another nice thing in the South, closets.
A lot of closets.
So the bulb is actually burned out in this bathroom, but you can see it's a really nice new vanity with granite countertops. Full bath. So is it 3 bathrooms total?
2.
2 bathrooms total. Or 2.5.
2.
Well, there's the half
that's
bath.
right,
Yeah, 2.5
Yeah,
bath.
Sorry.
This is all nice. So you got a window.
And this is a grayish blue.
Oh yeah, that's super perfect. Yeah, that's really pretty furnishings.
Yeah. And
This is
new.
the highlight of it being a retail.
These are all new. I mean, yeah.
Perfect.
So.
All right, let's check out the master. It's a nice big room. 2 closets and the full bath. All new flooring throughout the whole thing. Built-in little cabinet, shower, plenty of windows. And then down this little hall, we have the 3 bedrooms. So there's also an extra kind of just utility, pretty big space actually, like a double-sized closet or more. It even has some built-in things. So we've got 3 bedrooms. 1, 2, 3. Each have a closet. Same here. And the last one, all pretty similar. Be a great house for a family. So this is, from what I saw, the biggest house on the road. I'll get a little more. Oh, so what I was telling you about, it was going to be sold to primary home buyers. So you may not be able to see it in the video, which is all the more reason why it's not a big thing, is there is a lump, if you will. There's a lump, if you will, in the flooring, and I don't think you can see it, but it would be about a $20,000 repair. And honestly, had I not been told about it, I'm not sure I would have even noticed. You probably can't even see it in the video, but there were a couple offers from primary home buyers, but they didn't like the lump. So
Yeah, and it's the reason the cost is so high. It's not that this little hump is the issue. It's we'd have to take these walls out because it's a big beam.
Mhm.
It's just, I'm just told, just twisted a little bit here.
Yeah.
I mean, it's not broken. It's not anything.
honestly, if I lived here,
As solid as can be.
yeah, if I lived here, I don't even think it would. I don't even know if I would care if I was the primary home buyer.
As a renter, it wouldn't matter either.
Mm-hmm.
But there's nothing wrong with it.
Yeah. So here's one last look at the living room. Huge open space. What was my question for you? Tell us just a little bit about the street. We're in Pinson, is that correct?
Where Pinson is the town. So it's a highly desirable rental area because it's only about 15 to 20 minutes from Birmingham. And it's out in the country. It doesn't have like a little downtown area. It has its own police department and things like that, but it's just desirable areas. So you're living out in the country where you've got small houses next to you. You might have another big one down the street. It's just the way the South is.
I love it.
Yeah.
I miss the
do
South.
too.
All right.
Can you imagine what this would be in California?
Yeah. Oh, don't even get me started.
No, I know.
So this is a unique property in that, like I said, it was actually flipped for retail, which means it's the flooring and stuff is standard, but there's some nicer things about it because they're going to shift to the investment property side of that. So that is this one.